The first thing I wanted to do when I was invited to make the exhibition here was to collaborate with Maggie again, my long-term collaborator, Maggie Segale, who is an incredible dancer, teacher, choreographer, and artist. I have a score called Instructions for Dancing Still Life on a Single Breath. You have to hold a very still, contorted pose in order to be able to capture a good angle or a good image. It's a cycle of 43 minutes and 59 seconds long, where Maggie is just continually moving in and out of these selfie poses. And then in order to create the perfectly still image, she has to stop breathing. She cancels her breath. I really wanted this work to not be a visual work. I'm a choreographer and I'm interested in movement. Our eyes are so dominant and the image is so dominant, we perhaps are unable to pay attention to any other registers that might be offered. They all become secondary or in the service of the image. And I was like, okay, well, what if we just cancel the image entirely, but we bring the body back? And so how can we make a sonic choreography? And that was where I began to try and make Dancing Still Life on a Single Breath. Melody's warm-up was made in 2022. Melody Duran is an incredible cellist. It's a score in which she would not perform, but in which she would remain in a state of preparation. Melody is playing Cello Suite No. 1, just the prelude. What you get from this piece is a feeling of Melody constantly returning to the beginning, never quite making it to the crescendos, never quite making it to the part of the Bach that everyone, it's the most overused, much loved cello solo in the world. How could you mess that up? How could you, cut into that? There's an interesting synergy going on between Dancing Still Life on a Single Breath and Melody's warm-up. Both these works have running through them a timer. There's a 42-second bleep that goes off. It's a timekeeper that, compositionally speaking, both these sound works do not work without this timer. They actually need this temporal aggressor. This is screen tests for the psoas muscle, and this is a totally new work. The psoas is a really deep muscle. You can't touch it, you can't see it, and yet it's this sort of incredibly important muscle that is at the deep core of the human anatomy. It moves so many things around the body, like nerve messaging, blood, hormones, and also emotions. It is widely regarded to be the most abused muscle in the human anatomy, which is largely to do with desk-based population. You wouldn't know that this muscle is stagnated. You would only know that you had a problem because it would be creating negative symptoms elsewhere. Stiffness in hips, locking in the lower back, feelings of sadness. In fact, a psoas is at its most sort of lively, loose and vibrant when you don't know it's there. So when it's gone, where you don't feel it. I was really interested in this idea of what do you need? What does the psoas need in order to not become stagnant? What do you need to do to disappear this muscle? And I had this feeling that maybe I should figure out the color of the psoas muscle and then try and get rid of that color. That would be a good place to start, that would be a screen test for the psoas muscle. And I didn't really know what that would amount to, but I knew that it would be physical and choreographic. What would it take to kind of make that color disappear? But then in making the color disappear, perhaps it was necessary to move in a certain way. And if you moved according to the 3 planes of movement that the psoas muscle is capable of, which is very unusual for such a muscle to be able to move both vertically, horizontally, and around, you might be able to introduce a kind of a movement that itself might also quite literally vanish the psoas muscle. I really wanted there to be this sort of work, this core that somehow like held everything together. So in still life, there's always a fainted pair, and I kind of understood these as sort of characters or props or somehow references, but then I spotlight them. So they are super, illuminated and like on stage, on show, ready to be photographed or captured. But on this occasion, when you go and photograph it, the sort of the photographing body and hand gets in the way of the spotlight, casts shadows, disturbs the image. And for this show, they're hanging on the back of the inflamed soas wall, which we decided to leave red, sort of a stagnated muscle that is somehow too present, too much in the room, perhaps creating symptoms elsewhere, perhaps producing the pairs, perhaps producing the clock. But then you step around and on the other side, there is a condition where it's starting to be erased and it's starting to be undone, and that colour is starting to disappear, and there's a movement starting to be introduced.